So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up our browser, and in our browser type in tassta.com. And once you're on the Tassta web page, go to the menu bar and then go to download. So on the downloads page, we now need to scroll down to T-Flex mobile app. And I've got an Android device that's got a screen, so I'll be downloading version 5 Smart for Android. The PTT version, that's for a non-screen device. So once you've clicked on that, it will go ahead and download, and as you can see in the top left hand corner we've got an arrow flashing showing that it's in the middle of downloading. And then once that's downloaded, we want to go ahead and open that up. And it's going to ask me if I want to install this application. So I'm going to go ahead and click install. Once we've opened the app, it's going to ask us what we want it to allow access to. It's asking me for phone, microphone, location and camera. And I'm happy for it to have access to all of them, so I'm going to go ahead and press confirm. Next, it's asking me to allow it to collect log crash data. Select yes for this. I'm also going to select yes for allow safe password. Now go to the settings wheel in the middle icon at the bottom, and this is where you will fill in your username, your password, the server and the port. And if you do it in here, it will save it in here so you don't have to type it in every single time. And these will be your own details here, not what I'm typing in now. But you can also do this by scanning a QR code, which we will have in another tutorial for you to watch. So now I've done that, I'm going to click connect, and that's it. For more information or help, go to g6global.com. That's G6-global.com. Thank you for watching.